This is the Luka soft-sided carry-on in the color chocolate. This stylish bag by Calpak has been turning heads in the travel community, so we went out and bought one just to see what the hype was all about. To be honest, I didn't think I'd like this bag, but once I saw it in person, I was an instant fan. Aesthetically, the bag is a 10 out of 10, but is it as functional as it is stylish? Let's find out. Hey guys, Allie here from Away Together. Today I'm gonna walk you through this Calpak Luka Carry-On, all the basics, the measurements, the weight, and then talk through the features, and then I'm actually gonna pack this bag, give you my honest, unbiased thoughts on its pros and cons, and who I think this bag is for. Let's start with the outside of the bag. The Luka Carry-On is standout with its soft and buttery water-resistant polyester shell. It's got a really cool aesthetic, and it feels luxurious. Honestly, it feels more like a fashion piece than a suitcase. When it comes to specs, the size and weight are great for carry-on only travelers. It measures at 21 by 14 by 8.5 inches, which should technically work for most domestic and international travel, although you should always check your airline's requirements. Weighing in at only 6.6 pounds, it's surprisingly light and makes it an easy companion for a trip of any length. It's got two convenient front pockets. One is perfectly sized for quick access items like your power bank or your travel docs, and the other is a large padded compartment that comfortably fits a 17-inch laptop, which is perfect for work travel. This internal front pocket has a lot of organization and internal pockets. One feature I love is the springy resistance that keeps the front part of the pocket firm. Sometimes you see these parts or features in other bags that are flimsy, but that's not the case here. It's got other standard features like a telescoping handle, smooth 360-degree spinner wheels, TSA-approved locking zippers, and matching cushion top and side handles. Moving inside the bag, the Luka does not disappoint. Despite this bag's small footprint, it's quite spacious, offering 41 liters in capacity. Enough room for all your travel essentials and then some. In terms of organization, it's fairly basic, but it does have a couple of pockets for easy segmentation of your belongings. For me, this fit enough for a 2-week trip to Europe. Shoes, hair tool, jewelry, non-liquid toiletries, because I pack my liquids in my personal item bag, intimates, 2 dresses, jeans, shorts, 1 skirt, a cardigan, 2 t-shirts, and a tank top. The compression straps are a nice touch, helping to keep everything snug and secure. These side pockets are a great place to put things like my rain jacket, headphones, and adapters. The front pocket with a laptop sleeve easily fits my MacBook and Kindle. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let me break down the pros and cons, because although $195 is the most expensive price you'd pay for a comparable piece of luggage, it's also nothing to sneeze at. All right, let's jump into the pros. If you haven't already heard me say this bag is beautiful. It comes in 3 gorgeous colors, and I put this right up there with my Monos bag in terms of looks. I love the quick access pockets and the laptop pocket. If you'll be consistently putting your laptop into the bag, I really think that a soft-sided bag like this offers a lot more versus a hard-sided one. It doesn't eat into the internal capacity like you see other hard-sided options do. Great capacity despite a small footprint, and I really like the compression straps on the inside. As for the cons, the padded handles are nice, but I'm a bit squeamish on how strong they are. Again, I've not put this bag to heavy use yet, but I have concerns that over time they may rip. The telescoping handle feels a little rickety, and there's a lot of side-to-side shake. I'm curious how this bag would do if you really overstuffed it, especially the front pockets. Soft-sided bags are nice because they offer some give, but on smaller planes, the overhead bins are very tiny, and I'm worried that if it did get overstuffed, it may not fit. So who's this bag really for? I think this bag is for someone who's looking for aesthetic and style just as much as practicality. I don't think this bag is meant for heavy use, and I would never want to check this bag. I'm afraid of what it would look like on the other side. The Luka Carry-On, I think, is great if you travel occasionally for work, maybe take a few vacations per year, and want something that looks gorgeous, but you don't need something that's super rugged. I would personally travel internationally with this bag. I have no issues taking it to a place like Europe, but I probably won't be making it my daily driver for all my travel. In general, I love this bag. This video was not sponsored. We spent our own money to make it. If you want to get one of these bags, I encourage you to use the link in the description below, which helps us keep making free content and it costs nothing to you. If you're interested in other soft-sided luggage but aren't sure what's next, make sure to check out this video where my husband Nick breaks down 8 of the top soft-sided bags on the market. Thank you for watching and happy travels.